Hello, my name is Elijah Duran. I am an academic mentor within DSPS here at Fresno City College. In this short video, I'll show you how to log into your student portal, as well as how to access the different apps your student portal has to offer. The first step is going to be to head over to the Fresno City College website. To get there, it's going to be www.fresnocitycollege.edu. Once you're on the home page, you're just going to go ahead and click My Portal here at the top right corner. If you're on mobile, it might look a little something like this. And to get to the portal from here, you're just going to hit the top right corner here with the 3 bars. It should drop down a lot of options, and you'll see My Portal here. Once you click that, it should open a new tab. And you'll see here, it gives you an option to sign in. Now here, it's going to ask to put in your login and password info. For your login info, it's going to be your student ID number, followed by @students.sccd.net. And for the password, if you haven't changed it already, the default password is going to be your first initial uppercase, last initial lowercase, followed by your 6-digit birthday. So it's going to be the date first, followed by the month, and then the year. If you're having trouble logging in, you can press this link at the bottom titled Problem Logging In, and it should bring you to a new page where you could either reset your password or you can call the Student System Support Call Center at 1-844-887-2223. Okay, after you've logged in, you'll be brought to your student portal dashboard homepage. Once on your student dashboard, there's a couple of things in interest that you could take a look at. First off, on the left side, you could see your favorite apps listed. In just a bit, I'll show you how to add apps to your favorites apps list. And on the right, you will see here the SCCD announcements where there's district announcements. If you scroll down just a bit, you'll see the latest news happening around the district, Fresno, Madera, and Reedley. And back on the left, you'll see Microsoft Office 365, where you could access apps such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. All right, going back up, you'll see here Apps Catalog. Once you've head into there, it'll have the list of all your apps available to you. And in order to add an app to your favorites list, all you need to do is find the app that you want to add. And if you press here at the top right of the app where it shows 3 bars, it gives you an option to add to my favorites. The most important apps I'd recommend you add are Canvas, Self-Service, and your student email. And if you're a DSPS student, I would also recommend you add the DSPS AIM Portal app. If you head over back to the dashboard, you'll now see that the self-service app is added. And that'll conclude this video. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you all have a great day.